Bye, I love you. Have fun.
Bye, love you.
Oh, hey guys. Come along with Chelsea as she explores Escondido and this beautiful new resort she's going to. Come along.
So I grew up in San Diego, but never really experienced a staycation in my home city. Over the last few years, I have been able to explore tons of areas around San Diego County, and I have made it my goal to stay at all the hotels and resorts in the area so you can get an inside look at what they all look like. And the list has only just begun. In this video, I'm gonna give you a full tour of San Diego's best kept secret, Bandy Canyon Ranch. So let's go. Packed up the car, waved goodbye to Daddy and Moko, and now it's time to head off on our fun adventure with Landon. This morning we're driving about 1 hour north of downtown San Diego to have a one-night stay at the incredible place that is San Diego's best kept secret. Located in the heart of San Pasqual Valley is Bandy Canyon Ranch. This is a 144-acre ranch. It almost feels like you're staying... Hi, do you want to be in my video? It's a beautiful oasis out here. It almost feels like we're actually sleeping at the safari park with all the sounds around you. We literally just heard a frog gulping. It's the perfect getaway destination for those who live nearby and those who live far away. It offers a relaxing time away from the stresses of life. The rustic charm is perfect for all family and friends. We even met a family last night sitting by the fire. They had a little kid, didn't they? And they came from the Topanga area, and they were here just for the weekend to visit the safari park and enjoy the beautiful ranch. There are 15 unique cottages tucked away on this ranch. Let's go take a look at the inside of one of them. All right, now that we are all settled in, I want to give you an inside look as to what our cabin looks like. So we're currently staying in the Peacock cabin, but they have tons of options here, from single style cabins to ones with multiple rooms and multiple beds. So let's go inside. So right when you walk in, you get the farmhouse style vibe right away. So come on in and let me show you around. Over here we have this cute little kitchen table with the kitchen behind you. Now, it's not a fully stocked kitchen, so if you're planning to cook here, you're gonna need something that you can grill on one of the grills outside. But I absolutely love the tiling on the counters with the blue and gold accents, and then the sink is just adorable. When you arrive, you will receive a basket full of goodies filled with breakfast items like eggs, oranges, orange juice in this basket here. And then up here, you're gonna find your basic amenities like a toaster and a coffee maker. And in the drawers, you'll find some basic supplies like your coffee and plates and silverware. And then over here, this is our cabin specifically, is the living room. This table is so cool. It's made out of wood. Got a TV, a large bathroom, has everything you could need. They provide tons of towels for you, a blow dryer. And I love when places supply shampoo and conditioner so you don't have to bring your own if you're not picky like me. And then lastly, this is our bedroom. We chose one with 2 separate beds. Very spacious in here. Landon's pack and play just fit right in the middle. And there's actually even a closet in here that has some Bandy Canyon Ranch robes. You could wear this to the pool or to hang out or relax in. And that's it. That's our cute little cabin tour. I hope you enjoyed it. The lush mountainscape around us offers natural beauty with plenty of activities to pair with hiking and running trails to some of the most beautiful viewpoints San Diego has to offer. Fun is right at your doorstep here. You can also find local businesses that have made this valley the perfect getaway. There's tons of different wineries around here that you can go to, or you can spend a day at the safari park. And if you haven't been to my channel before, I do have 2 videos on visiting the safari park, so you can watch those up here. This property offers amenities needed for a day and night filled with fun. Here at the ranch, you can find tons of different things to do. I'm currently sitting in the family style room where you can find games here, a projector where you can watch a movie. You'll also find a pool and a jacuzzi. The pool is not heated though, so be warned, it is like an ice bath if you decide to jump in it, but there's a jacuzzi right next door. And in the summertime, it's a nice spot to hang out at because they have a little bar out there. There's restrooms at the pool area, and it's really just a beautiful place to hang out. They've redone it all with cabanas and is a great spot to sit at. Don't forget to stop by and visit the equestrian center and their little petting zoo out in the front. Right when you enter the property, you're gonna find horses here, pigs, even a Bethlehem donkey. They're so cute. You get a full tour of the entire petting zoo. You get to pet the animals, feed them, and take pictures with them, and it's a really fun experience for kids. The property has tons of different things to offer. Grass areas where you can play large yard games like Connect 4 or chess. They even have a play structure here for the kids. There's a fire pit where you can spend the night sitting by the fire, barbecuing some hot dogs and hamburgers and roasting up your s'mores before heading into your cabin for the night and watching a movie before bedtime.
Yeah, bye!